Now I will tell you how to create the global and project calendars. Go to the enterprise menu and then calendars option. Here you can see at the top three types of calendars you can define: global, resource and project. Global calendar Global calendar pool contains those calendars which can be applied to all of the projects. Resource calendar pool can be applied to each resource. If you want to define a separate calendar for resource like crane, like welding inspector, etc., you can create that calendar here. Then coming to the project calendar pool can be a separate pool of calendars for each project. We can create and assign calendars to each activity and each resource. These calendars define the working hours in each calendar day. We can specify the national holidays, organizational holidays, working and non-working holidays, etc. So now we are going to create a new calendar. So we can see a list of existing calendars. So we are going to create a new one. So on the right side you can see this add button. Press this add button. You have to choose one of the calendar because you have to create a new calendar, so you have to take some calendar as a base. So I am going to select 7 days work week as a new calendar. All the properties of this calendar will be copied to the new calendar. We have to modify according to our requirement. Suppose we are here to make two calendars. One is head office calendar because our project will be an EPC project. Engineering and procurement will be handled in head office, and we will prepare calendar for those activities separate, and our construction will be managed by another calendar. We will call that calendar as a site calendar. So you can create different type of calendars for one project. After defining the calendar name, go to the modify button. Here you can see this window. Here you can see the calendar calendar days. The most important thing is you have to change the time periods. You have to specify the working hours according to the user requirement. So this is an head office calendar. So we assume that we are working 8 hours per day and 5 days a week. So here we will mention 40 hours per week, hours per month 170, and hours per year 2000. Then we have to go to work week. Here you can see that all of the days are working. It means that 8 hours in each window is typed. So you can put here 0 Saturday and Sunday. It means that you are going to consider Saturday and Sunday off. After clicking OK, you can see in the background these Saturday and Sunday now are become off. This color is showing that these days are off. Now, if you want to add some visited holidays, I will tell you how to do this. So we are going to add the Christmas holidays. So we will simply select this date and press as a non-work. You can also do this by simply double clicking. It will get off. So in this way, you can define the calendars and their visited holidays. So one of the calendar has been defined. We will press OK. Now I will tell you how to create a site calendar. There will be a difference between the head office and site calendar. So I am going to create a new calendar. So I will press add button. Then I have to choose the calendar as a base. So I am going to choose again 7 day work week calendar. I am writing the name of calendar as a site calendar. Then I will go to modify button. Then again go to the time periods. Here I will enter the hours conditions according to the site. So I will put here 10 hours per day, 6 days a week, 26 days in a month, and 310 hours per year. Now I will go to the work week. Normally, our site working hours are considered 10 hours per day. So I am putting 10 hours a day and keeping the Sunday off. So I will just type 0, and you will see at the background that this blue color is showing that Sunday is off. Same, we are going to give the gazetted holidays in the month of December for Christmas. So I will just click on this date and press this non-work button. Or other way is to just simple double click. It will get off, and you can see at the top here work hours per day, it will automatically become 0. If you click on other button, this is showing that 10 hours per day is planned according to our requirement. So this is very important. The calendar should be very accurate, because the schedule will be is the, our dates will be based on these calendars.